Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on Faraday Future Intelligent Electric on May 19th, when the price of this asset was at $1.13 mark. And my main assumption was that we have to have a bounce to the upside that at most might hit about $2.8 mark. And then we have to have a trend reversal, and unfortunately we have to see lower price action for this asset. And here's the actual price action. As you can see, we were at this point, and from this point to the highest point of the retracement, this asset gained about 100%, and for now it is still hovering. Let me show you, it is still hovering at about 60% of potential profit. And this is, guys, how technical analysis works, and if you know how to properly use this technique, you can be consistently profitable. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, there is not so many people inside the Discord community. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you. This means it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and let's continue with Faraday Future. As you can see, we are hovering pretty much sideways, and we are on pre-market hours. This asset is down by about 3%, and we have a couple of crucial points that are showing us where we are on this price chart. And in a minute, I will show you what levels you should be aware of. And let's take a look on the sentiment around this stock. If you type in Google search bar FFIE stock and switch to new subfolder, you will find a lot of recent news that might be the catalyst, and basically it is a reflection of its recent price action. Let me show you that if you take a look on the apewisdom.io website, and this website tracks the activity of Wall Street Bets community, you can see that Faraday Future is on the 5th place right now. It lost about 3 rows during last trading session, but it still has a quite substantial number of mentions, about 156, and it has more than 1400 upvotes. On top of that, if you take a look on the stocktweets.com website, on the most active section, FFIE ticker symbol is on the 1st place. This means we still have a chance to see higher price targets, but it is quite tricky to assume this from the technical standpoint. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, on my previous video I told you how you can be consistently profitable and how you have to react on the market. And for now, let's take a look on its fundamentals. Let me show you that if you click on this button, More Financials, you will see their balance sheet, and in general they have total assets at the level of $579 million, with the total liabilities of $317 million. And in general, it is quite good sign when the company can cover their liabilities with their assets. But on the other hand, if you click on the income statement, you can see that they are losing money, and they are in red for about $78 million a quarter. As you can see, they have just $551,000 in revenue, but their cost of goods, their burn rate is quite high. On top of that, if you take a look on their cash flow, you can also see that their operating activities are deeply in red, and they have only positive cash flow from their financing activity. And it is not, definitely it is not their main activity. That is why you have to be very cautious with this company in the long-term perspective. On top of that, let me remind you that if you switch to daily time frame and zoom out, let's turn on the logarithmic scale, you can see that this asset is in consistent downtrend, and it had even 2 reverse stock splits in order to stay in line with the Nasdaq listing rules. And that is why I highly suggest you not to invest in this company, because on the market there is much more companies with a more lucrative fundamental position. So, and let's continue with the chart itself. Let's turn off the logarithmic scale. As you can see, for now we are moving south, and this asset is down by 13, almost 14%. And by the time this video will be published, in my opinion, we might break this bottom, and if it breaks it, it will be a first confirmation of the ABC correction. And let me show you like this. You know that right after the major movement to the upside, the impulsive wave, we have to see the retracement, and usually this retracement has the shape of three waves, ABC. And A wave might have 3 or 5 wave structure, and this was the A wave. We have 1, 2, 3, potential it is the top of the B wave. And for now we have to see 5 wave structure inside the C wave to complete this movement, to complete this retracement. And if this asset breaks this bottom, and especially if it breaks this bottom, definitely we will have a confirmation of this ABC correction. And guys, I don't think that we might see in upcoming couple of weeks, if, by the way, if we break this range, I don't think that we might see another short squeeze for this asset in the foreseeable future. I mean, within a couple of weeks ahead. That is why, guys, if you entered your position on this retracement when I made my previous video, you can put your stop loss on a green territory, and from the entry point you might be up, still you might be up for at least 50%. But if you put your stop loss slightly below the current price action, you might have up to 20% of potential profit within just 2 days. And in my opinion, it is a very good achievement, especially if you missed this movement to the upside. Then, right after it dropped down, it should be some kind of bounce, and we caught this bounce to the tick. So, and this is another evidence how powerful technical analysis is. And if you want to know more, if you want to know more information, and if you want to know more tips and tricks in regards to the different assets, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an